Hello future warriors and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Hemant and I'm here back again with another interesting notification regarding Indian Navy's direct entries. So this is a notification regarding for those important information technology and computer science graduates. That means for those guys who are into IT and CSE, they can directly apply for this entry to get into the Indian Navy as the short service commissioned officers. Guys, this is for about the special naval orientation course that is going to be commenced very soon in the year of 2022, and I really hope so that all of the eligible candidates will apply for this entry, right? So before beginning, as I always introduced you, that SSB Crack Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. We at SSB Crack Exams help you guys crack the defense examinations. You name an exam, we have a course for it, and we have the course content in the form of video lectures, live classes, study plans, study notes, and the mock tests that make your preparation much more stronger, brighter, and better. After every particular mock test, you will be having a rank analysis through which you will be able to understand whether your preparation is going on according to the level of qualifying the examination or not. The complete syllabus is updated on a day-to-day format, and the best part is you can have an offline access towards your application. Please make sure that you are subscribing to our favorite course. Choose one of your course, and we have the courses launched for the examinations of NDA, CDS, AFCAT, OIR and PPDT, CDS, OTA exam, ACC exam, MNS exam, UPSC, CAPF exam, Territorial Army exam, INET exam, and also the exams of Airmen Group X and Y combined, Group X specific of the Airmen, Group Y Airmen specific, PCSL exam, and also about the SU examination. Along with these most important examinations, we also have launched the mock test series. The cost of the mock test series has been reduced. If in case you are interested with that, you can go through with that. And do not forget to use the code Warrior10 to get an extra 10% discount on all of our courses. Dear all future warriors, because this is the direct entry into the Indian Navy as a short service commissioned officers, you will be directly called for the SSB interview if in case you are shortlisted in the first round. That means by the selection after your marks have been shortlisted, right? So if in case you will be shortlisted for the SSB interview, you will be going through with the course regarding that. So for all of those guys who are going to through this, do not forget to take our OIR and PPDT course to have a proper amount of understanding, so that you don't get screened out and you also get proper amount of insights about what happens in the stage 2 of SSB interview. Going through with this notification, first things first, we will know about what is actually this notification, who can apply for this, what are the education qualifications that you must have, the age cutoff and the vacancies that are there, and some other most important points. Clear? Moving on forward, the notification clearly mentions that it is only for the unmarried eligible male candidates. Remember, only the male candidates are eligible to apply. This is for the short service commission, only for the information technology entry of Indian Navy. Okay, this is known as a special naval orientation course, and this is going to be commenced in January of 2022 at Indian Naval Academy, Izimala, and the number of vacancies are 45. Okay, so there are 45 vacancies through this particular course. Okay. Understanding about who can directly apply, any one of these 4 important personalities can apply. If in case you are a graduate in a Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology graduate in computer science or information technology or related with a minimum of around 60% aggregate marks, then also you can directly apply for this entry. Or else if in case you have did your Master of Science, if you are a Master of Science or MSc graduate, postgraduate in information technology or in computer science, then also you can apply. Or else if you have an MTech degree in information technology or computer science, then also you can apply. And also the those guys who have a master in computer applications, even they can also apply for this entry. Okay, so this is eligible. It is only especially for information technology and computer science graduates. BE, BTech and MSc, MTech and MCA graduates can apply for this entry. Make sure that you are applying it if in case you are interested for this particular entry. There is also an age cutoff, guys. Remember, you must be born between 2nd of January 1997 and between 1st of July 2002. These are the 2 important dates. That means you must be not born before 2nd of Jan 1997 and you should not be born after 1st of July 2002. Okay, so both, including this date and the days coming in between, if your date of birth in between that, then you can directly apply. Okay, then you are inclusive, you have the proper amount of age cutoff. Moving on forward regarding the relaxation cutoff marks for the NCC cadets. NCC cadets have a special cutoff here. Okay, so those graduates who are an NCCC certificate, they have some relaxation in the cutoff marks in the SSB, right? So going through, candidate must fulfill the following conditions. Remember, you must have an NCCC certificate of Navy or Army or Air Wing. Remember, any wing NCCC certificate is applicable, but you should have a minimum of B grade. Okay. and also you must be serving in the senior division of the NCC, and your service in the NCC should not be less than 2 academic years, right? And the C certificate, the provision of the certificate should not be dated before 30th of June 2018. Before 30th of June 2018, if your certificate mentions that, then in that case also your NCC certificate will not be considered as a valid one through this entry. And the final selection of a candidate through an NCC particular one, it will be subject to the verification of the Director General of NCC and any other concerned NCC units for its validity. Okay, only after going through with crucial amount of validity checks and all, then they will try to consider about whether you can be considered for the NCC cutoff marks relaxation in SSB or not, right? Moving on forward regarding the selection procedure, what happens actually, first and foremost, the moment you apply, after you finish your applications among all of those thousands of applications, only few will be shortlisted based upon the normalized marks obtained by the candidates. Now, how will this particular people normalize? There is a formula used, and that formula, it is mentioned in the Join Indian Navy website. Using that normalization formula, they will shortlist the number of candidates, okay, depending upon the toppers. Now, after being shortlisted, after you're shortlisted, you will be given intimation through mail that you have to select your dates for the Naval Selection Board interviews. So you need to select your SSB interviews, and these interviews will be scheduled from August of 21, and you might get your center at Bangalore or Bhopal or Vishakhapatnam or Kolkata. Okay, after you going through with the SSB interview, hope so that after you're going through with that, you will be going through with medical procedures and all, and thereafter the situation, everybody knows about that. And remember, the last date to apply is 2nd of July 2021. Okay, remember, finish applying for this particular important notification by 2nd of July 2021. Complete applying to this post as soon as possible. Always recheck every detail before submitting your application. If you're not checking your details, if there is any discrepancy or if there is any false information given, then there is a very serious issues. Your candidature might be cancelled. Don't go through with that. Okay, never ever give any false information at any instance, since it will lead to cancellation of your candidature. And do not forget to subscribe yourself to OER and Pability online course of SSB Crack Exams, and be a part of the transformative team that soon gains inputs to crack SSB interviews. All the very best for all of those candidates who are eligible for this entry, guys. Do apply. Please do not forget, the last date is 2nd of July 2021. Make sure you complete applying for this entry as soon as possible. Also, do not forget to take the course of OER and Pability of SSB Crack Exams. It is going to be very, very helpful. You will get the insights about why the people get screened out, and what are the things that you must follow to never get screened out, and what are the tips to follow while going through with the group discussion, while answering the questions in the OER, and while going through with the picture perception, how you must write the story, how to give proper amount of yourself in the group discussion. And thereafter, those candidates who are giving proper amount of inputs in the stage 1 in this course, they will also be given a personal guidance regarding the stage 2 of the SSB also, right guys? So that's all for this one. I hope so you guys are all clear regarding this one. If in case you are interested to join with the team, do not forget to subscribe to that particular course. And also, if in case you are preparing for any other upcoming defense examination, do not forget to choose one of our courses. We have also launched the mock test series that make your preparation much more stronger, better and brighter, guys. Go through with the mock test series also. The rates have been reduced, and most of the candidates are being benefited through this. I hope so that you will also be benefited through this. And as always, I tell you, do not forget to use the code Warrior10 to get an extra 10% discount on all of our courses. That's all for this session, guys. I hope so you guys are all clear with this particular update, and congratulations for all the CSC and IT graduates who are getting this special entry. These engineers are very lucky actually through this entry. Hope so you people will get recommended very, very soon, and you will become a success story, a part of SSB Crack Exams. Thank you so much, guys. Always stay safe, stay healthy, always keep smiling, be confident, get vaccinated, stay safe, stay home. Jai Hind.